one में Sarah got her own home.
डबल रैप करके दिया है.
Oh, the best gift ever. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sarah. You and I, we hustle together. It's been so long since I said that. I missed it so much. I missed vlogging and just catching you all up with my day. I was trying to hold up all the vlogs till you all saw the home tour. But now that you've seen the home, I hope you have seen the home tour. Then I can take you along with me through my days in this home as well. Today is actually my housewarming party. Look at me, all an adult and everything, throwing housewarming parties. But basically I'm just having my friends and family, like really close friends and family over to celebrate and just have a chill time. And for lunch I have my family over, and in the evening my friends will come to chill. So it's like an unofficial thing. It's not really a party, but yeah, it's a party. It's a party. I've called food and everything. But right now Sainath is coming. My trainer is coming in literally 5 minutes, and I just woke up. I didn't sleep early last night, so that's why my eyes are puffy. But that's like the story of any other day. And I have a hustle day after very long in this home as well, because so far I've been taking it super chill every day. Like I'm just trying to get used to the schedule, the routine. Yes, my darling, your barking has started. The minute I start vlogging, Fud starts barking. The days I have energy, I do film videos, and I've not filmed more than once in this home at all till now, so it's been really chill. The hustle part of it hasn't come in just yet, but I'm excited to start hustling again, because that's just what I do. That's in my blood. And just one day yesterday I took it easy and I was not working, and I just felt so alien. I was just like, what is happening? Why am I not doing anything? So yeah, feels good to be back today. आज के agenda पे काफी कुछ है. Like housewarming is not the only thing. I also have to go to college and come back, because मेरी एक जगह पे sign बची हुई है. So yeah, it's going to be a long day. Before Sainath comes, I'm going to change into my gym wear, and let's get started. Sainath has come and Fudge cannot stop running. ऐसी एनर्जी मेरे में सुबह हो तो बात ही क्या है ना. इतना लेट, ये कोई टाइम होता है 7 बजे की क्लास के आने का? शर्म नहीं आती? पता है मेरे घर में चिपकली है. किचन में. नहीं सुबह नहीं.
मेरे को खुद डर लगता है सुबह.
अच्छा, तुमको डर लगता तो फिर क्या हुआ था? यूजलेस. मेरे को लगा भगा के दोगे मेरे को. एक्चुअली बनाए कॉफी. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू. Taking my laundry bag with me, it's so cool, and I fill all the empty water bottles because I don't have AquaGuard over here, and I take it to my mother's house. तो छोटू मुझे भर के देता है सारी पानी की bottles, and मेरा protein shake इधर है. So we'll take that and we'll go down for breakfast. Let's go to our cafe, our personal cafe, मम्मी का घर. चलो, hello, time up, workout done, time to go. Shorts. नाश्ता टाइम. छोटू बड़ा. हेलो, मैं रोज नहीं आती है नाश्ता करने. कितना दिन हफ्ते में मैं आती हूँ नाश्ते के लिए? 2 दिन आती हूँ. वेरी गुड. आज मेरा मन है अंडा खाने का, और मेरे पास गैस नहीं है. एक बार गैस आ जाएगा तो मैं बनाऊंगी खुद का अंडा. पता है वो पाव वाला मेरे बेल ही नहीं बजाता है मेरे घर पे. तू उसको बोल दीदी के घर पे भी बेल बजाऊं. मेरे को भी ब्रेड चाहिए, अंडा चाहिए. 9:20 now. I want to actually reach college at 9:30. ऐसा नहीं कि I have to report for something that I'm getting late or anything as such. I just wanted to finish and start my day early, but I've been feeling very lazy ever since I woke up today. My routines have been so lazy now lately that वो hustle spirit आने थोड़ा time लगेगा. मैंने अपनी मैम को कॉल करके बोला कि I'll try to reach by 10:30. It's just that I forgot to sign in one place that day, the last day when I went. For submission, I forgot to sign, so I just have to go for one sign. I have to go so far. तो I'm thinking एक्टिवा पे फटाफट जाके आ जाऊंगी मैं. गाड़ी तो वैसे है नहीं, आपको पता होगा. गाड़ी हमने बेच दी है, मेरी i10. It's been मुझे बहुत याद आती है Y10 की, बट ठीक है, लॉन्ग वे टू गो, समडे विल हैव आवर ओन न्यू कार, बट अभी के लिए एक्टिवा ही है, तो एक्टिवा पे जाके आ जाती हूँ। सोच रही थी ट्रेन लूँ, बट आई थिंक एक्टिवा विल बी फास्टर, ट्रेन के धक्के खाने के मन नहीं हो रहा है आज मुझे तो। और अच्छा मौसम भी मस्त है, इट्स लाइक ग्लूमी, रेनिंग अ लिटिल बिट, सो इट्स फाइन। थैंक यू छोटू। छोटू गॉट माई हाफ फ्राई एग, दिस इज माई फेवरेट एग स्टाइल ऑफ एग। वाइट ब्रेड है। अभी मैं गई तो घर से तो तू ब्राउन ब्रेड लेना बंद कर दिया ना? ले ले। अच्छा, I have plant protein by the way. This is not whey protein. Whey protein doesn't suit me. It gives me breakouts. But plant protein suits me really well. अभी एक यही vehicle बची है मेरी, और कुछ भी नहीं बचा है मेरे पास. So I have to take care of this bad boy. It has served me quite well actually. Yeah, Activa. I've been riding it since I was 17. Now I'm 22, and I have the same Activa. और ये मेरी बहन की थी, तो उससे पहले उसने भी काफ़ी चलाई है. Not bad baby, not bad.
2 hours later.
5 minutes में जाके 45 minutes में I was back. Having a two-wheeler is really the best thing in Bombay. Because अगर मैं गाड़ी लेके गई होती या Uber, ट्रेन कुछ भी से गई होती ना, 1.5 hour to go and 1.5 hour to come back, पूरा भीग के आई हूँ मैं. मेरे सब tracks, wax, everything is wet because it was raining also while I was riding. और कुछ दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा था क्योंकि मेरे हेलमेट पे वो नहीं है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, face shield situation is not there. Anyway, I am happy that I'm back home by 12 because अब आएंगे मेहमान और मेरा ईशू भी आएगा. मेरा ईशान को मैंने कितने टाइम से नहीं मिली हूँ, तो I'm very excited to meet him. बट उससे पहले मैं अपनी हालत और मेरे घर की हालत भी सुधार देती हूँ. पहले मैं नहा लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक 12:30 मेरी बाई आएगी, तो जब वो झाड़ू पोछा कर रही है तो आई कैन ऑल्सो पिक अप ऑल द अदर सामान. Alright, so I am ready. I've just changed after bath into this very comfy white dress. I really like this dress. I know I wear it quite a lot. It's from H&M, but it's super easy breezy to just move around in, and I've done like a minimal makeup because I have to keep this makeup on like all day long because my friends are going to come over in the evening. I'm a little nervous to host my family because I don't have a lot of family friendly furniture in this house. It's more like a bachelor pad, you know, like I have stools and chairs and everything, but I don't really have sofas. So I hope everyone's comfortable. We're not going to eat food over here. They're already in the down house chilling. They're waiting for Larissa to come. But for my hair, I've just left it loose. I'm liking how my curls are looking lately. They're really soft and bouncy. If you've been here for a while, you know argan oil is an ingredient that I always make sure to have in my hair care routine. It just helps nourish my curls really well because I have frizzy hair, and if I don't take care of it, it gets dry very fast. And lately I've switched my shampoo and conditioner to this duo by Love Beauty and Planet that has argan oil as well as lavender in it. Ever since I started using this, I'm not going back to my old shampoo and conditioner because I really like the effect it's having on my hair. It leaves my hair really nice and bouncy. My hair is now fresh out of the shower and just air dried. I've not touched blow dry or anything on it, just applied my serum and let it dry completely. It adds life back to my curls. My curls look so shiny with this. My color also looks so rejuvenated. It doesn't have any parabens or sulfates in it. And if you're a frizzy hair girl like mine, the argan oil in this is best for you because it nourishes your hair very deeply. It also has this hint of lavender scent. It's not very strong or overpowering, but it gives you a very calming spa-like experience in the shower, and then it kind of lingers on, so my hair will always be smelling good. The shampoo lathers up really well. It doesn't foam up excessively also. You just need a coin size amount and then scrub it nicely into your scalp. And the conditioner is very emollient as well. It will nicely detangle your hair in the shower because I don't use comb on my hair, so I like to detangle my hair in the shower itself. If you use comb on curly hair, it will just poof up. And then I keep it for about 5 to 7 minutes till I'm washing the rest of my body, and then I rinse it off. After air drying, this is exactly what it looks like. They are also completely paraben, silicone and dye free, so there's no nasty chemicals touching your hair or scalp, so what's not to love? And another thing that I love about them is they are very environment conscious and sustainable. All of their bottles bottles are 100% recyclable bottles, so I was very excited to try them out. So I love a brand which is, you know, very environment conscious, and I feel very grateful to be working with such amazing companies who are giving you good quality products, being environment conscious at the same time, and also it's not a break to your bank. These bottles are 650 rupees each for 400 ml of product. The shampoo should roughly last you like 1.5 months. The conditioner though aram se 2.5 months you can drag on, because of course we use less conditioner as opposed to shampoo. I'm going to leave the product links for you in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. I would also like to thank Love Beauty and Talent for partnering with me for today's video. I'm going to go check on Chaya auntie now, how far she's come in the bathroom, and then I'm going to call my mom so that she can bring the guests up.
He's
Yeah.
the chief guest, so you have to say
Yeah.
the chief guest of the chief.
Ishan is the chief guest.
Lovely.
Ishan, what do you think? What do you think? All open.
Patience,
Thank
never
you,
took
mother.
congrats.
Tell me your reaction.
What do you think? It is good or it is bad? Good,
What is good? Oh my god, what you brought? Some Bharatnatyam dance photo from where you good?
Then
How you good?
I brought today.
You liked it?
I bought.
How much?
Not.
Not.
No little.
No little.
Yes.
Ishan, you like it? You like it? Why are you eating your hand? Your mother didn't give you food? Hey mother.
The house is not at all organized. So
Of course it's organized. You bought my laundry bag.
see there. Huh?
You had it. हाँ ये shooting निकालनी. How is it? Look who has come, my VIPs here. Hello.
Everybody is important on you.
Yeah, everybody is important. Thank you.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, बैठने का है. बैठो. नीचे नहीं जाएगा. Yeah. It's there in the home too. Sit. Sit on that.
But we have. We should first get food. Understood?
Food over here, mummy
going to
said.
buy this.
You like this chair?
Yeah.
This is the epicenter of the house.
Queen.
This is my throne.
It's like Sarah's museum. Okay? You have to see each and every corner. You should keep this.
Your phones to give audio.
Wow.
Nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
I'm telling you, let's do Airbnb for your spawns. I love this room, man. I really love it. It is so nicely done, the colors and everything.
Yeah.
It feels so good, na? Like if you have a business meeting and all.
I sit here for my meetings, my script, everything.
I like this house.
This wall clock is damn sexy, yeah? Looks very good in mirror.
Better than the one.
Amazon wall clocks were shitty, so then I invested in IT. This is Ifra's gift.
I really. Mommy said this is the chair I was saying.
See, if you don't keep a rug, no, then you can move about. So that's why I put my rug to the very edge.
Nana
It's
likes the
digital
chair
now.
so much.
Yeah, I told Nana will only switch. How's my plan, Nana? What do you think of my plan?
Very nice, Sarah.
Wait, I'll get your chairs. Wait.
You want an honest review?
Yeah, honest review. Honest review. Sarah's mom, honest review.
But it's a proud moment
Yes.
that you've taken a house.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I feel that you have physically detached yourself.
I am 3 floors above you. I come to your house 4 times a day for food.
But when the children grow up, they are with the parents. They enjoy
Who
the
said?
life with the parents.
Who said? You would have sent me abroad for studies then what you would?
So you are achieving a goal at that
This
point.
is also a goal. It's 750 square feet of
See
goal
like that.
achieved.
See that.
This is Larry's.
No, first you read the...
This Sanjeev, dear Sarah, moving into a new house is synonymous to starting a new life. Embrace the new scent of success and leave all your worries behind. This is Lily Auntie's note. May blessings and happiness shower in your new home. Congratulations. Some fun for your new working home. Love, Lily Auntie. Thank you. Acha, this is not you. So no one told you life is gonna be this way, the one where Sarah got her own home. Could I be any more excited? You moved out into your first studio home and I really wanted you to have this. I'm so proud of you. I'll be there for you. I know you'll be there for me. You didn't have to write it in words. But thank you. I love you.
Only this was missing in your whole house.
I love it so much. Oh my god. Where will I put it though? Which door will I... should put it on my studio door, no? But how?
It's a fridge. It's a magnet. You can also put.
Oh, I'll put it on my look at it. It's the fridge door. My fridge, I'll put it on my fridge because my fridge will go with me every house. Friends, anything is always.
That's the reason I was asking you that I want to see your entire studio. What was missing which I didn't know?
Friends references are there, but
But you didn't have the people.
Yeah, I didn't. Ooh, dude! The potential of drinking in this house is endless.
Because you're gonna have a party in the night.
Yeah, all my friends will come over. We'll have fun. Now we just need the booze for this. It looks so perfect with this on it. It looks spot on. I love it. Look at this one. Eating and eating. Where's my food? Who's serving me? Food is over here only. Mummy, food is not at the Sarah Squad studio.
You're not so well equipped, you know, with this
With what? Crockery?
with crockery, with the dining table,
I don't have a-
with the sitting arrangements. Understood?
Yeah, okay,
With the
fine.
cutlery.
Hey, you put Ishat. I didn't see all this. Look so cute. Oh, he has chashma on that photo.
Wall of fame.
Yeah,
Everybody does
everything. Yeah, in my house, anyone does anything, my parents print photos and put here.
Meaning is for you.
Thank you, mother, being a good hostess.
I'm always. Okay.
You are 52. I am 22.
I never expected that at 22 you will leave my house and go.
Please behave like you're acting. No, please say that you're acting. You're upset that I took my house.
I have made cake. I have baked a cake.
You're upset that I have my house.
No, am I happy that you have a house? Then I never thought that you would be leaving me like this. You
For
know
me,
that?
4 floors up, I left you.
I have baked a cake, you know.
Okay. Ajay is already putting more in our gulab jamun.
Take Tukanita Kai.
Okay.
One is enough for you.
Hi, my Vijay. You want gulab jamun?
Malad jesta. And I thought she'll say it's okay. Small or big or.
Nana is used to very big houses. Hello, my Nana
Yes,
stays in
for
a my Nana stays in a mansion of her own. Okay. We are also smuggled into small apartments of Bombay.
A small house, no, I don't like it.
Small.
Really? You please go.
How can you say? ये लहान is असं
ना ते तुमच्या लहान ओढ निपलात नाही पण मग ते राव तुझा दुःख दळायचे दब 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 दब
Nani can never stay in our house also.
Yeah.
Never stay over here because she'll just die out of suffocation.
Baba, this hand, keep it this one.
Yeah, he is very ready. Anybody comes no close.
The skincare that comes as PR is like too much for our brain to accept.
So much for my skin to try.
Yeah, it's too much for her skin to try and too much for our brain to take it.
One child we have, another child we have. See the size difference.
Later that same evening.
Hi! Hello. What's up? Welcome. You did say hi! No, she's not veg on Saturdays. You're alone.
I haven't seen your video because I wanted to witness.
Okay, witness it. Thank you. I changed, by the way, just for you all. See, thank you. Remove your mask. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Oh, हमारे बर्तन वाले आ गए हैं. हमारे special. आजा अंदर अंदर. What do you think, Disha? Disha is the one. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll give you a tour. Disha is the one who's painted this wall, this beautiful wall. You know, people love it so much. Look at this. This is my studio room. You all should have seen the video. What was the timing given to you?
Start like at 7.
7:30. It's 8:15. Any punctuality? I thought you're supposed to be a doctor and everything.
School का timing है.
Yeah, with me. This is Sarah Squad School. We'll change that studio. I'll ask you the same question I've been asking everyone. What do you think?
I have not seen it completely. I love this.
Sign, na? Yeah, that is
I love
definitely.
this.
One typically hiding in my house. Look at your face.
It was the one you were telling me
Yeah.
that you wanted.
I wanted this mirror. We couldn't find it, Pooja and I.
Oh, I love this also. Oh, this lamp.
Yeah.
I like it.
This page made for
I
me.
And you go up and onwards from here. डबल रैप करके दिया है.
इतना रैपिंग सब.
Oh my god, that is
Oh, she gave me a fire. This is my sister's gift and my Jiju's gift.
There's no TV here.
So I told my sister, she was asking me क्या चाहिए तेरे को, क्या बच्चा है तेरे घर में. So I was like सिर्फ टीवी नहीं है, बाकी सब मैंने कर ली. So I told her
She
morning.
gave you just a boy.
This is from dear Sarah. Dear Sarah. This is from Shireen. May the happiest days find your new address. Oh, thank you. You know, candles जलाना बहुत महंगा पड़ता है.
Yeah, भाई शूटिंग होते मालूम है. जब उसका शॉट हो जाता था ना, हम लोग बुझा देते थे. फिर वापस जब उसको लेना तभी जलाते थे.
खरीदना is one thing, but जलाना is a whole different decision which you got to make. So this is perfect with this mutryan और पूरे सुसु करता है. Okay, this is epic. This is something. This is from Pooja Roshni, Purnima and Tamanna, and I asked for it. I shamelessly asked for it. There is nothing, no story behind it. मैंने 100 बार indicate किया था, एक बार नहीं 100.
मुझे पेटीएम कर देना. उसका
After a point में money
my gift is that watch.
Yeah.
I have got to be paid.
all the watches in the house. Not
All the watches in the house are sponsored.
but still she decided to come late to the party. You see? Dude, this is massive.
Caesar Demier broke.
You don't need bro.
नहीं
Flip. I got so scared. अरे ये तो मेरे पास.
Yeah, we do good shit only.
We don't do things so major. It's damn sexy. Yeah, it goes in my fridge so well.
Yeah.
बस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में मेन खर्चा था घर का, वो सब गिफ्ट कर दिए बस.
तूने तो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दी है लोगों को सब कहीं तभी है.
Bichari Disha, she was.
You don't know the struggle we have.
Disha, she got on call with me. She's like, ये लूँ. And like उसने खरीद ली. She's like, अच्छा ये ले लो. And like वो खरीद ली उसने.
Oh my god, look at Disha's handwriting. It's like frame-worthy handwriting. Oh! This is the best gift ever. Period. This is something that was very.
हम ये वापस ले.
No.
अभी रोशनी के घर पे गया ये.
I told all my friends, कुछ दो मत दो. Evil eye is supposed to be gifted. You can't buy it. But yeah, तो असर ज़्यादा होता है apparently. I saw in so many stores beautiful ones and I was like,
ऐसे तो wait, we get.
perfect. जो भी जैसी आएगा उनकी नजर इधर ही absorb हो जानी चाहिए.
अभी तो स्पिन कर रहा है बॉल डाल.
तो बहुत ज्यादा
This is a liar.
ये भी अंदर नहीं गिरेगा. देख बाहर
What did you compare?
देख बाहर.
Join इतना
See? 5.
3
I 3.
3.
I have 3.
I have half.
I have 5.
What is yours?
Am I supposed to drink or not?
What do you
I
have?
have 31 and 6.
No, I
31 and 24 है किसी के पास? No.
I have 3.
3.
Cheers. Half
वाला cheers. आजा दुस्तू आजा.
The next day,
Good morning, you guys. It is 11 o'clock. Roshni and I just passed out last night, and my friends left really late. I think they really late, as in हमारे standards के हिसाब से they left at like 11:30, 12 everyone, and we were really tired. But we had too much fun. It was so much fun to do this. After so long, we all like met to chill because after college we've not gotten any chance to even go out for a proper dinner because of this pandemic. It keeps getting screwed up to go anywhere. My eyes are proof of how my mascara is all spread out and how I removed my makeup last night. Okay, so we have Nani's gift right here, which is the gas stove. तो रोशनी और I अभी कोशिश करेंगे गैस स्टोव इंस्टॉल करने की. इधर मैंने कभी भी गैस इंस्टॉल नहीं किया अपनी लाइफ में, so this will be quite an experiment. So So this is the gift my nanny has given me, a two-stove gas stove. It's so sexy. I love the glass top so much, and it's black. It goes with my black coffee machine, and it goes with my black fridge that my parents gifted me. This is turning out to be a very good combination. I think you should also be painted black. This is so sexy, dude. हमको install करने नहीं आता. मेरे पास pipeline है वैसे ये घर में, but हमको आता नहीं, तो we'll leave that to the experts. Call my dad or something. But ये अभी finally अंडा बन सकता है. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. I'm gonna end it right here. I know it was a little chaotic because this was my first time hosting a party ever, like hosting people in my own house. When I have parties in my parents' home, I have house help and I have a already set up home. So it was a little chaotic, and I think the overall reaction from everyone is that they're very proud of me and that they like it. So I'm happy that everyone likes this space. And it's like my second week living here, so I'm getting a little more adjusted and feeling better. Like everyone was like, "Tu itni thaki hui lag rahi hai shakal se." So I do look very tired. That is because every day there is something to do. It's not as much as before. Like even though Hustle with Sara used to be so hectic, usually with college, I still feel घर का काम करने का मुझे आदत नहीं है. Like college के काम से I was so in the routine ना कि मेरी body was very used to it. So now this घर का काम is very new to me. I can go to college and work for 8 hours and be completely energetic and fine, but I can do housework, एक झाड़ू मार के आ जाए, I was like, oh my god, I'm tired. So yeah, that is what life is at right now. I'm very excited for the vlogs to come because I'm going to be traveling at the end of the month. This is also going to be my first travel after the pandemic, so inshallah it goes well. I'm very excited for that as well. So stay tuned with all the Hustle with Sara episodes. Comment down below which was your favorite reaction out of everyone's reaction from my family. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sara Squad shout out goes to Sai Shruti. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sara Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and you get a chance to be a part of my next video Sara Squad shout out. Also don't forget to check out the Love Beauty and Plan shampoo and conditioner. It's the reason my hair has been looking and behaving so well lately, so definitely give it a try. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you.